There will be a gap between each spoken phrases, so please read aloud after the narrator. Please join in. I'm sorry.
ごめんなさい。
I can't eat.
は食べれません。
I can't eat meat.
肉は食べれません。
Please.
お願いします。
I'll have salad, please.
サラダをお願いします。
What's is this?
これは何ですか？
Do you have?
はありますか？
Do you have any recommendation?
おすすめはありますか？
Okay, now here is a quiz to recap what you have learned today. How would you say the following phrases in Japanese? I can't eat meat.
肉は食べれません。
What's is this?
これは何ですか？
I'll have salad, please.
サラダをお願いします。
Do you have any recommendation?
おすすめはありますか？
I'm sorry.
ごめんなさい。
Do you have?
はありますか？
Thank you for watching. Next time, we'll learn 5 more phrases for travelers. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are interested in Japanese culture, realities of life, and hot topics in Japan, have a look our other channel. You can find the URL in the description.